depending on the time you are going to watch this video. Actually, it is almost 3 p.m. here, and it is a great day, but the weather almost an hour the rain will be raining, so the weather is not good on our side. So thanks and for your support, subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing the video. Giving this thanks to you, my subscribers. Okay, so keep watching and keep supporting me. So we want to do some work here, so you will enjoy the video till the end. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching. This is the motor of the one concrete. So we're gonna mix it. Then we are pouring on that gate, on that top back filler, on two pillars. I mean, yeah. So keep tuned, keep watch, yeah, and remember to subscribe. If you are watching this video, guys, subscribe, guys, subscribe. Yeah, push me to 1,000 subscribers. Then watch hours. Also comment, like, and share, and yeah, leave us a comment. And I'm here with Always Kibe.
Yes, guys, you can check me also out by the name Always Kibe, Kibe. That's my good name. Check me out there. Subscribe, like, share, and comment for me to reach 1,000 plus subscriber and 4,000 watching hours. And as you can see now, we are just mixing the concrete so that the mason can backfill it on the pillar there on the gates.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, keep watching the video until the end, guys. Your support is highly appreciated.
Yeah, thanks a lot. So this is what we are doing today.
Nitachukua hiyo kamera huyu na hiyo yangu mchukulie amwage maji kwa anapeleka huko kwa fundi. Ndio kuna tumtana fikeni kidogo tu au kidogo. Ndio mwage maji kwa hii. Haya. Nata basiro ndoni kwa fundi.
preparation. We're gonna carry it straight.
Amini mingi. Kidogo.
Mingi pesa.
Maji.
Mko mnaweka kwa troli. Unakuja kusimamisha hapa ni kuchota.
Chonjo. iPhone ndio hii.
Saidia ndio kwa. Ona muda. Udere. Udera.
Mara sema kidogo.
Kwa nini?
Eti? Nataka kuharibu maji.
Ndio, nipe.
Ungekuwa na wheelbarrow ungewasaidia sana. Unakuja nayo imejaa hapa. Wewe ni kuchota tu na mpele. Mweke peti mbili, kwa mbili mbili. Yo pipe. Maji. Pipe hiyo iko mbali yenye hizi siku. Mchanga hizi ingia ndani.
Go with it. Wewe unataka kuzimia? Ongeza supu kidogo. Viatu gani imepika? Okay. Very tricky. Tricky situation. I'm very ready for Tuesday. Kwamba mshikie hapa.
Mani, kuvunja mayai. So guys, this is our lunch. We are preparing ugali, kales and scrambled eggs like yesterday. So today we bought how many eggs? We bought eggs worth 300 Kenyan shillings and 500 and 350. 350. So that we do the math.
Total 18 eggs.
You are still between that math.
Yeah.
300
300.
divided by 50. 6. 6 times 3. 18.
Yeah, it will be
Easy.
18. But I've told you 18.
Yeah, you told me that you've taken very long.
No, let's say 30 seconds.
He has taken a little bit time to think.
5 minutes.
No.
Now just gentle heat. Not too much.
So you can just say hi to my people friend.
Okay, hi, what's up?
Just a minute, just a minute.
Okay.
Let me grab my camera. You know it's January.
January, yeah. So thank you, Team Masare. Almost burning because. Okay, it's okay. So is that rain, Masara?
Yeah.
That's rain. Okay.
But I'm not sure if it will rain right now.
Okay.
Eggs.
Go with Masara is killing us with it. With smoke. Smoke. Put it that side.
Look at this dog here.
Yeah?
Look at this dog.
Which dog? Look at that dog.
Our eggs is here ready.
Very ready.
With our chief chef.
Yes.
Our chief chef.
We are here. We have been doing amazing work cooking for Mason, and I'm not alone. I'm with Kenny Go. Hello guys, what's up family? How are you doing? Welcome back again to Okwemba's channel. My name is Kenny Go, and we are at the site, Fadela site. We are pushing on each and every day. As you know, if you see me at the site, just know that the workers are happy and overjoyed, simply because I am the CEO of the stomach. So we are just preparing, we are preparing lunch. We've prepared lunch because we are done cooking. So it's ugali, eggs and kills. That's what we want to take for lunch. But now we are receiving some little showers. That's a blessing.
A blessing.
Yeah, very, very, because it was very, very hot. So it's a blessing for us. We thank God. Maybe it gets continue dropping, but not that much. Yeah, we will really thank God. Anyway, guys, Kwemba is on the road to 1,000 subscribers. If you've been watching his channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Because we want to, this here is our here. We want to, each and every person should hit their target. Yeah. So thank you, keep supporting, and also check me out. I will really, really appreciate it. Yeah. Manu! Hey! Mimi. Mambo ya
Mfudu wako uko chini. Hapo wako 2, 4, 5. 5 plus waskima. Plus waskima. Will get. Usikule mingi kuwashinda leo tena. Ukwe ni bulanda.
complain na hapa.
Ewa complain na hapa.
Ile mkono za mafuni.
Ndio mkono.
Hata kwanza ni waekea wa kukuru.
Mafundi.
Waekea.
Kama ningeenda raundi.
Ndio mfano mzuri leo.
Mano hali amekula.
Azera.
Ugali uko.
Mbona janitolea yangu kile?
Mbona?
Mbona nake yangu kando? Toju gari na kile kama ya jana.
Ndio afu peani.
Alafu ni peani.
Nani alipewa jamani? Jana najua alifurahia sana.
Imagine karibu na wewe. Imagine kiona una stress yangu badala yake. Una record film.
Nani amepika?
Wewe unamepika.
Wewe uliacha tu hapo.
Baba sisipokuwa mayai.
Mayai nayo unatoka kwa mayai.
Nitakuwa najana rekoja.
Hata wajaona kwa hapa ulipo. Weke watu wazeke jamani.
Mimi sinashangaa nataka tusauni kama atakuwa.
Ile ndege ni kidogo.
Ndio unaangalia mayai hamna kweli.
Wewe Mungu mmoja ucheze watu wazeke sasa
Watu wazeke
kazi. Tunaweza tu fadhali tunaweza kula chakula urudi kozeki.